Hello my friends, welcome. In this video we'll very quickly show you how to install the Photoshop Lightroom on PC. So guys, just open up your browser and whatever search engine you're using, type in Lightroom, go to the official site. So guys, as you probably know, Lightroom is not free, but you can try it for free indeed. So guys, as you can see, you need to sign up for the account first, and then you will be able to try the Lightroom now. You can start a free trial in here. I suppose there's also a online version that exists. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, you can just download the app onto your PC. Let us do that. So just type in Lightroom download and go to the Adobe first link. Okay, after that, just scroll down. And as you can see, guys, you can choose different plans, which are 3 of them. For example, you want to choose Lightroom, just tap on free trial. And guys, you will have a free trial for a week, which is 7 days. Just pick it up, press on continue, add your, as you can see, you can also choose some perks, just let us continue. And of course, add your email address and then connect your debit card or credit card to basically activate your new 7-day trial. So just email address, then continue, and then just use your card credentials. And as you can see, you will be charged $0 because this is the free trial, and after 7 days you will be able to either cancel the subscription or continue it. And of course, after this you will be given a option to download the executable and install it onto your computer. Very easy guys, and straightforward. If you enjoyed the video, press like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.